Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today we'd like to show you the updates for Dash USDT trading pair with my custom indicator set. Let's dive in. Guys, this video will be about updates for Dash, and just listen please carefully and try to understand the logic because this is a chart what probably you will see for another tokens during this cycle and next cycle. So imagine this is a top of the top for some project. Of course, here we traded, so it's just like beginning of the crypto, right? Then bull run. Let's go back to the monthly time frame. So this is the end of bull run 2017 all-time high. Got it. We dump it. Fundamental of Dash didn't change. That's the point. What I would like to show you on examples when I talk about this type of cycles for tokens. People won't believe it. So that time in 2017, people believe in fundamental. So we have to now skyrocket. After that, we go into correction to the bear market. And just because of crypto behavior, we have to hit new all-time high. And it's a trap because not all tokens, every single cycle should hit new all-time high. Guys, there's a lot of examples. And people this cycle still think, oh, why you show so conservative price targets, for example, for the Polkadot? How is it even possible? So your top for Polkadot, $30. Why? The Polkadot should go to 150, to 200, to 500, and all of that stuff. Guys, it's not necessary, so the Polkadot will. And take a look. Here it was a bull run that made somewhere one. We hit here 1K625 for 177. Yes, it was a bull run, crazy bull run. Some altcoins performed pretty good one, some not. You remember the SHIB, you remember the meme coin sector era, and Bitcoin hit new all-time high from 3K. This one, March 2020, COVID dump. BTC hit 64K. Everything was good, but why we not hit? And here the people screaming, no, we go into the moon. This cycle not different. We go into the moon. Every cycle different, guys. Every cycle different. The same story now, kind of different story with the listings on the Binance, kind of new story with the A drop, right? And the tokens like Celestia list it and dump it. And it's not unnecessary, so the Celestia will hit the new all-time high. Again, this run, we can hit, for example, from $2 to 15 and not beat the new all-time high. That's the point, because we already performed pretty good one. And it's not about the fundamental change or something. No, because let's be real, market makers, their funds, they absolutely don't care about all of that fancy blockchain stuff. They can create their own chain, own token. If the BlackRock need to create their own chain, they will create, they will hire the best tech guys, create the best tokenomics and the use case for their own token. If the Amazon need to build some blockchain, they will build it and generate the money. They don't need to generate the money, for example, with the Polygon or the Avalanche. So guys, think about it. And when the people all the time say, no, we have to go into the moon to the new all-time high. No, we're not. We don't have to. So just in case, guys, it's for this token, this run. For example, some of them will perform pretty good ones. Some of them will hit the new all-time high like SUI. But it doesn't mean in the next run, the SUI will hit another all-time high. So just in case, it's an educational purpose on a real example. And the fundamental and the tech side of the SUI, the partnership, the upgrades, everything didn't change. And if SUI not hit the new all-time high, it doesn't mean that SUI like a project bad. No, just because of price action, right? Because the tech guys here invest in some projects in the fresh one. That's why the people not investing now in the Dash, but in 2017 it was something new. In 2021, right, it was like a correction, like an old token. The same story will be with the Celestia, with the Layer 0, with I don't know, ZK, all of that tokens in Jupiter. in the next round in zone 27, zone 28, for example. So just in case, guys, so don't be trapped with the old patterns. It's just patterns. It means nothing. We are here for the money. So the main idea I explained to you. So we can delete this one, this notes. All right. So technically, guys, it's hard to say. It's hard to say how low that dash can drop. Technically, this is a monthly gap, can be the full fill. And imagine, wow, January 17, and we can dump in March 25 to that block. It's just a mind-blowing. For me, just mind-blowing. So the range between 11, 31, and this one fulfills $16. It's possible target. If not now, a little bit later. Globally, guys, if we use, I want to show you the global charts. By the way, maybe I already shared this one at the Binance. Here. Why not showing the on the Binance? All right, anyway, let's go to the global one, this one. So I want to show you the local one target. So this is the top. You remember how we work with the indication accumulation pump model. So this is the top and this is support. So technically we can use this like support. So we under 27 zone or this one. Basically this is the support. Now we're inside at 27 zone. Correction for this cycle for dash, it's 287, right? And if you believe in new all-time high, of course, it can be, I don't know, not a new all-time high, new high. So it can be 711. Technically, for me, it's hard to even imagine why the dash should hit the 711. Just to be honest, guys. So mark this price like 287. It will be the good price target for dash if we will see these targets. So just in case, guys, if we use, for example, global one weekly time frame, FIB, what we used before, I highly recommend it, by the way, to go and check the main boom plan video for that token. We can use this like support. This is the top, this is support, a tiny bounce, and here we just go over the zero level. Now we trade under 27 zone. If we use this like support, we're inside 27 zone. And in this case, the 0.5 level by FIB of correction should be 969. I also won't believe that, and I can't believe we're gonna hit that target. So for me, it's hard to even imagine based on what? Why do people have to invest their money into Dash? For what? What's a trigger? What a trigger? Like speculation. I don't know. We got a lot of fresh new tokens for speculation. So guys, yes, of course, even the Dash will pump when the BTC dominance will go under 60%, 50%. Not because of Dash, it's a crazy great project. No, just because of money rotating, the liquidity flow. The market makers and the whales, they absolutely don't care. They pump the candles on the Dash, or they pump the candles on the layer 0 on the or Jupiter or the Manta. So just think about it, guys. At the end, all of this, guys, out in cash in USD. So don't build that unicorns dreams, like, oh, we are here for the touch, blah, 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 all this stuff, guys. If we use the line chart, and this is the top, this is support, technically, yes, we're still under 27 zone. So basically, all targets I showed you. Let's check, guys, with indicator set. So like conclusion by FIB, I believe in 287 target for Dash. Because, it's like even you zoom out, here's the liquidity pool, full fill of full weekly gap, like 322. So yes, around here we can hit. Is it possible to hit 300? Yes. Also, let's count. If you think it's not a big deal, take a look. March 2020, Dash pump at 1,400% gains, right? Again, so let's say this is a low, right? Where the low? Lowest point was here in August 24. So we can say this one, 1K400 is yes 286. So 0.5 level by people grab of this liquidity and this order flow. So just compare the cycles. So in gains, you know, in percentage, it's going to be pretty good one. The same like in the previous one. So guys, at the end, everything depends of entry. So this is can be the same cycle like previous one in the gains at the end. That's why analyze all these charts, try to understand the logic of the market makers. And of course, you can fix, for example, at the top like 70% of your position and leave that 30% for extra. But at the end, you will finish the ride in the profit because a lot of people stuck in here. Imagine how many people lost the money in Dash since December 17. So yes, of course, the XRP hit new all-time high. But guys, Dash is not a XRP. Dash is not a Ripple. It's big differences. Take a look at a monthly time frame with my customer said, what's going on with the Dash ADZ? I can't show you because it's not a ticker from the exchange. Only now, take a look since June 23, the whales accumulate. Pretty good one. So anyway, sooner or later, we're going to see the bounce. We're in capitulation zone since May 2022. Last time we saw the capitulation, it was December 19, November, December 19, and we pumped at 1,400% gains. Now we're in a longer time period in accumulation. So yes, 2K scenario, a bullish one, conservative price target is 287. 300, let's say, and new high, but not new all-time high. Imagine the A for year if by some miracle we will see the Dash over than previous high, 500. Everybody gonna talk and make videos about how we go into new all-time high. So guys, don't be trapped. Don't be trapped. Weekly time frame. What we can see here? This is accumulation, pump. This is accumulation. So anyway, sooner or later we will see the bounce. Capitulation, so everything okay. Now, yes, of course, now we are around the gap of zone 20, and definitely we even lower than COVID dump, and the fundamental on the attached side, you know, didn't change. That's why, guys, don't be fooled with fundamental of projects. Trade on money power. Let's go here, sell on the weekly, nothing new, unfortunately, guys. Money outflow was here, two weeks in a row. Money outflow after exactly after the Trump inauguration and the hype, right? Monthly time frame. Take a look. Here was a money inflow, 2 months in a row, money inflow, pump, COVID dump, all right. Now money outflow, April 21, money inflow, let's check the price. So $38.50, comfortable price for the whales. After that, we got like 30 and 23. So let's say in average, the whales build the price like 30, let's say 30, right? $30, the average entry. So at 60, this is what they did. So they accumulated here at let's say 38.23. So average entry 30, at 70 they fixed the profit. That's the point. But we got like every side bullish awareness, and this is no signal for money outflow. The best case scenario, guys, if we will see flash crash and recover back, like V shape, you know, recover. It's the best case scenario. The worst case scenario is sideways and slowly but surely climbing up to the top to trade that order flow. Weekly, sell, money outflow. Soon we will see the money inflow. So everything okay. So yes, guys, globally, like investments, yes, my take, I explained to you. And the last one is take profit. We trade on the female volume on the monthly. But take profit 170, exit line 190. Good one. Weekly time frame. We tested the buy line. We got reaction at the buy line. This one. Take profit is 39.60 on a weekly. So you can, you know what you have to do? You can use this set, zoom out, and double check how the token performed previously. You know, the history not repeat, not rhyme, you know, but you understand how the algorithm works and what you can do. Because, for example, at this area, it was not a time to buy, because I understand in crypto, people watch only the videos what to buy. Nobody search what to sell, right? But guys, we got like time to buy, time to sell. And now we are close to the time to buy. So buy line is on the weekly, it's 1997 for the value. This is the best case. What I would like to see, of course, is 1487. Take profit and exit line. 12 time frame. So here, most likely we're gonna test the buy line again, 1765. It's gonna be the best one. And it's with a weak candle, it can be the. Let's add alert even here. Let's add alerts on the buy line, 12 time frame. For me, it's gonna be the good signal, maybe to open position, even on with second leverage or third one. For speculation. So guys, all targets I showed you, all targets I explained to you. Write us in a comment what you think about a Dash, and I hope you understand the logic for the future cycles for another projects. If you like to trade with my customer Krasai, what I showed in this video, just write me DM, subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button, don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.